In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons to your website in Squarespace. This is a quick and easy process that will only take about 5 minutes, so let's jump right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. Once you're on the Squarespace website, look towards the upper right corner of your screen and click on the login button. If you're already logged in, that's great, you can skip this step. Once you see the login options, I recommend clicking on Continue with Google. It's a simple, straightforward way to access your account without having to remember yet another password. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're logging in with the correct one. After you've logged in, you'll need to navigate to the specific website you're working on. If you manage multiple websites through Squarespace, you'll find a list of them after logging in. Just click on the website that you want to work with today. Now that you've entered your site, it's time to start editing. On the dashboard, look for the option labelled Configure or even Edit, generally located somewhere near the top of the interface. Clicking on that will shift you into edit mode, where you can personalize all sorts of features and design elements of your site. Once editing is enabled, the next task is to focus on modifying the site header. Look for a button or a tab labelled Edit Site Header. This is typically displayed prominently because it's a common area for making initial changes to your website's look. Within the site header settings, you're going to concentrate on the site title and logo section. This can usually be found towards the top of your settings options, and it's where most of the visual identity of your site starts. Next, you'll see a small pencil icon, which is an interactive feature you can use to modify the existing details, like your site title or logo. Go ahead and click on that pencil icon to edit these elements. This should bring up additional options related to customizing your logo or title. To add an icon or a new logo, you'll need to locate the Add Image button. Clicking this lets you insert a new visual element that represents your brand or personal style. When you click Add Image, a dialog should appear, giving you various options to add a file. At this point, you'll need to upload your logo or preferred image. Make sure your file is ready and easy to find on your computer. Select the Upload option, and this will prompt you to navigate through your computer's files to choose the logo that you want to use. And there you have it. Your new icon or logo should now be integrated into your website's header. It's a fantastic way to bring some personality and professionalism to your site. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.